Hey, look, this is the first time I've ever been in this beautiful building. I noticed the restoration looks like kind of like modern style, but not very close. But this building is Büyükçekmece Belediyesi. That means in Turkish, Büyükçekmece Municipal Building. There are a lot of offices in this building, and what I noticed, it's all the construction is Victoria era, as you notice. Look at this columns. That's very Victorian, like South Carolina, old English style. That's very Victorian. I don't see anything very modern, but kind of nice. And I want to record from this section. I'm in the middle of the center hall. That's the center hall right here, and I will record this building. See, there's beautiful Turkish flags right there flying freely. And when they're flying freely, I'm going to record outside. What I notice is, you see these columns? All these columns are very Victorian. Old style English, old style American. And right here, look at this. Nice. Büyükçekmece Belediyesi. I like that. That's nice. Anyway, so this is a natural video recording that I'm discovering around and introducing my fellows, what exactly it is, where exactly it is, what is it, what is that. So, analyze this, analyze that, like Robert De Niro movie. Ciao, andiamo.